Welcome back to the channel for another install video on our 22 WRX. Today we're going to be working inside the car. We have an OEM Subaru Footwell Illumination kit. I did pick it up from Subi Mods, so I will have a link in the description below. This was my most requested install video yet, so Subi Mods luckily had it in stock and got it shipped to me right away. But let's head over to the bench and I'll show you what came in our box. So over here at the bench, I do already have it unpackaged and everything for us and laid out. This is the plug and play harness. It does have a Y connector, so we're gonna unplug something, plug it into here, and the other OEM harness plugs in there. And then we have two connectors down here, and those are gonna plug into each of our LEDs. And you can see these have a little twisting mechanism on them. So I'll show you where these go. And then we have some foam tape and 7 zip ties. So we have 7 white marks on our harness. So each white mark is gonna get a zip tie, and then the main connector, we're gonna wrap that in foam. So let's get to the car and we'll get this wire harness run, and then we'll get everything plugged in. All right, to start the install, I just took the floor mat out and I did do a quick vacuum. But first thing that we have to do, we're gonna have to run this harness. So this side is gonna, let's get this thing pulled out so I can show you guys. So this side over here, this is gonna plug up over here. And this is gonna go to our first one. So we just need to get the long side through, and that's gonna go right through this hole right here. So we're just gonna fish it through this hole, and the harness is gonna come up on the other side. So let me get you guys set up and we'll get this fish through for step 1. There you have it. The harness was just fished through the other side. Didn't need to take the glove box out or anything. Didn't use any tools. I really just kind of fished it through with my hand, and then I just came through on this side and just grabbed it. All right, so next step, we're going to get this plugged into our LED. So got my LED right there. So this has a, you can see it has it's like keyed, so it goes in and twists to lock. So that is going to go right here on that circle right there. So I'll get you guys set up. You'll see me twist it in. We'll get it plugged in, and then just pick where you want to zip tie on each garage. So I want to get this outside when it's dark, and I want to see what this looks like. But install is a success. Let me get all the zip ties and everything buttoned up, and the install will be complete. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Quick and easy install. We didn't even use any tools. You just used our hands. You will need some like wire snips to cut the zip ties. I'm gonna get that buttoned up real quick, and I'll take some glamour shots at the end. So have a good day, guys. See you next time.